Top 5 foods that are good for the eyes. Do you find your vision getting blurry as the days go by? Have you noticed an increase in the number of shapes floating in front of your eyes? Are you concerned about the risk of cataracts or macular degeneration? Nature's pharmacy can come to your rescue in this regard. The plants we are going to talk about are beneficial for the eyes and can even help heal eye damage. However, it must be noted that no medicine or herb will be fully effective if you do not have a proper diet. Eyes are one of the organs most affected by high blood sugar levels. Elevated blood sugar levels cause high levels of oxidation. Oxidation or rusting does to our bodies what it does to a car with peeling paint. The damage caused by consuming high levels of sugar and carbohydrates becomes more visible as we age. Compared to other organs, eyes have a more delicate structure. Therefore, it's not surprising that they are among the first to be affected by oxidation in the body. In the long run, the key to maintaining eye health is to consume carbohydrates in moderation and sugar in even smaller amounts. After this information, we can move on to the foods that are good for the eyes. 1. Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest living tree species known and has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. Its leaves contain beneficial compounds such as flavonoids and terpenoids. Ginkgo biloba positively affects eye health by regulating blood circulation. When blood circulation is healthy, the eyes receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, enabling them to function properly, which prevents eye diseases. Glaucoma is an eye condition characterized by high or low intraocular pressure, which can lead to vision loss. Low blood pressure in the optic nerves contributes to the progression of glaucoma. Ginkgo biloba is beneficial in balancing circulation, thus providing a protective effect against glaucoma. Research on glaucoma suggests that Ginkgo biloba extract may help improve pre-existing eye damage in some glaucoma patients. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are fruits that stand out for their high anthocyanin content. Anthocyanin is a type of flavonoid with potent antioxidant properties. The blue pigments in blueberries not only give them their distinctive color, but also make them a highly beneficial fruit for eye health. Scientific research indicates that anthocyanins help eliminate free radicals that can cause oxidative damage, particularly in various regions of the eye, such as the retina and lens. Oxidative stress is a leading cause of vision impairment and blindness in older adults, contributing to conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. The anthocyanins in blueberries promote proper blood flow in the eyes, ensuring that eye tissues remain healthy and preventing loss of vision. 3. Saffron. Saffron, renowned for its vibrant color and flavor, holds significant benefits for the eyes in particular. Saffron is a spice derived from the flower of Crocus sativus. Some scientific studies suggest that saffron can enhance visual acuity and retinal sensitivity to light in individuals with early macular degeneration. Alpha-carotene found in saffron is a highly beneficial yellow pigment for the eyes. Like other components of saffron, alpha-carotene is a carotenoid that protects the retina's color cells from light-induced oxidative damage. According to research, individuals with the highest intake of alpha-carotene have a 32% lower risk of macular degeneration compared to those with the lowest intake. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine, contains curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The role of curcumin in eye health is particularly prominent in age-related macular degeneration and other eye conditions related to oxidative stress. Curcumin helps protect the delicate structure of the eyes by reducing inflammation and combating free radicals. Turmeric also has the potential to provide protection against diabetic retinopathy. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, turmeric reduces vascular damage and oxidative stress associated with diabetic retinopathy. Therefore, turmeric is a highly beneficial spice that protects eye health in many different ways. 5. Dandelion. Dandelion is often overlooked as a roadside weed, but it's actually a rich source of vital vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining eye health. Particularly important for retinal health, dandelion contains 2 carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which protects the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals and filter out harmful light frequencies, thereby reducing the risk of chronic eye diseases, age-related macular degeneration, and cataracts. In addition to lutein and zeaxanthin, dandelion is rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for vision. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, especially in low light conditions. Furthermore, dandelion contains vitamin C and E, both of which possess beneficial antioxidant properties for the eyes. While vitamin C helps reduce the risk of cataract formation, vitamin A plays a role in preventing macular degeneration. Finally, the zinc mineral in dandelion is beneficial for the eyes. Zinc is an essential component of many enzymes necessary for eye function and plays a role in the formation of retinal cells. Maintaining normal levels of zinc provides protection against night blindness and reduces the risk of macular degeneration. You can consume dandelion as a tea. There is a useful dandelion tea recipe by the Turkish doctor İbrahim Saraçoğlu. How to prepare dandelion tea? The night before, place a finely chopped teaspoon of dandelion into a glass of cold water. Let the dandelion steep in this water overnight. In the morning, transfer this glass into a saucepan and boil for a few minutes. Then let it steep to extract its essence. It is recommended to drink this tea warm, not hot. After steeping, strain the tea. To fully benefit from it, you can consume half of the tea before breakfast and the other half after breakfast. Dandelion is flavorful enough on its own. However, if you prefer a more aromatic taste, you can add 2 cloves while steeping. Caution: dandelion may lower blood sugar levels. If you are taking diabetic medications, you should be cautious when consuming dandelion. Dandelion may interact with many medications metabolized in the liver. To be safe, consult your doctor before taking dandelion if you are taking any medication. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Have a healthy and pleasant day.